Welcome to Math with Mrs. Cox. We are on Chapter 9, Lesson 9, page 667. And we are estimating sums and differences. And remember, keep it simple. We need to round our numbers. Estimate by rounding each mixed number to the whole number. Okay, here is our target. 1/5 is going to determine what happens. I know that that's not very much, so we're going to say it is going to keep it at 2. Our sign is a plus. Make sure to bring that down and not get mixed up. Okay, 6 and 5/4. Half of 5 is about 2.5. 4 is greater than that, so that's going to take that number up to the nearest whole number, which is 7. So we have 2 plus 7, which is going to equal 9. Number 2. 6 is our target number. Half of 12 is 6. Oh, that 5 is not there yet. So it is below the halfway mark. So that's going to stay at a 6. Our sign is a minus. Bring that down. Our next target's a 2 and 1/12. Oh, that 1/12 isn't very much, so I know that 2 is going to stay there. And we have 6 minus 2, which equals a beautiful number of 4. Number 3, our target number is 11. Ooh, 8/9. That's almost a whole number, so that's going to bump that 11 up to a 12. Then my sign is a plus. Then I have 4 as my next target. 1/3 isn't very much. It's not even half. So I'm going to say it's going to keep it at a 4. So we have 12 plus 4 going to equal 16. Number 4, we have 7 as our whole number. 1/6. 7 is going to come down. Our sign is a minus. Next target's a 5. And 3/4. Yes, that's definitely going to bump it up. So I need to change my answer right there and bump it up to a 6. So 7 minus 6 will equal 1. Okay, we don't have a whole number here, but we nearly do. Let's figure it out. Half of 18 is a 9, and 11 is greater than the halfway mark. So we're going to bump that up to the next whole number, which is 1. Our sign is a plus. And we have 6 here, and that 1/10 isn't going to do much. We're going to keep it at a 6. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Number 6, we have 15 as our target number. 1/3 is going to keep it at a 15. Bring that sign down of a minus. We have 2. Half of 8 is a 4. That 5 is greater than a 4, so it's going to bump that. That fraction will bump the whole number up to the next whole number, which is a 3. So we have 15 minus 3, and that's going to be 12. Okay, for exercises 7 through 8, use the picture shown. About, okay, remember, we're estimating how much taller is the birdhouse in the swing set. Okay, so birdhouse right here, swing set right here. How much taller is the birdhouse? Because the birdhouse is 14 and 9/16. So half of 16 would be an 8. And that 9 is greater than, so we're going to round that up to 15. So we need 15 for the birdhouse. Then we subtract the swing set. Swing set's over here, 8 1/4. That 1/4 is lower than halfway, so we're going to estimate that to be an 8. So we have 15 minus 8, it's going to be 7 feet. About how much taller is the birdhouse than the treehouse? Okay, we already have the birdhouse. Now we need to figure out the treehouse. So half of 16 is 8, and that 13 is greater than, so that will make that 11 go up to the next whole number, which is 12. So we have the birdhouse, which is 15 minus 12 is 3. Brain builders. Juan is organizing his sports cards into boxes. He has 4 2/3 boxes baseball cards, 1 5/6 boxes of football cards, and 2 1/5 boxes of basketball cards. Which collection of cards would fit into 4 storage boxes? About how many boxes would Juan need to store all of his cards? Okay, so we need to round, we'll find which combination of numbers will round up to fit into 2 boxes. So we have 2 2/3, and that'll round to 3. Then we have 1 5 6, and that will round to 2. Then we have 2 1/5, and that will round to 2. Okay, so can you see these are boxes right here? 3 boxes, 2 boxes, 2 boxes. We need a combination that will equal 4. Can you see which ones? Yes, that will equal 4. So now we got to figure out which ones those are. So that would be the football cards and the basketball cards. So we need to say football and basketball. Helps if I write a little bit neater, huh, guys? Next question, about how many boxes would Juan need to fit all of his cards? Well, we can come over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 should fit these about. So 7 boxes. Number 10, during the week 3, Frank rode his bike about the same amount as he did week 1 and 2. So here's week 1 and 2. Combined, so we have to add those together, about. Remember, it's about. How many hours did he ride his bike during week 3? Okay, so we need to estimate. 3 1/4 would be closer to 3. 2 5 6 would be closer to 3. So in week 3, draw a little box right here. 3 plus 3 is 6 because it said the total time combined. So how many hours did he ride his bike during week 3? 6 hours, and you can see that right there.